In today's video lecture, we are going to see a question from probability. It is also in CBSE as well as SSC. In CBSE, it is question number 17, exercise 15.1 in NCERT textbook, and in SSC, TS, it is in question number 9, exercise 13.2, SSC in SCERT textbook. So the question is, a lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that the bulb is defective? Second bit, suppose the bulb drawn, number 1, is not defective and is not replaced. Now, one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So here, observe the question carefully. Don't worry that it is lengthy question. It is very easy. Here it is telling a lot of 20 bulbs. A lot of 20 bulbs means there is a collection of 20 bulbs. So we will write first total number of bulbs is 20. And it is also telling me that this lot of 20 bulbs, in that 20 bulbs there are, out of 20 bulbs, there are 4 defective bulbs. 4 defective bulbs means 4 are not working condition. That is, 4 are not conducting electricity. That is, they have some error in them. That is called as defective. So out of 20 bulbs, 4 are defective bulbs. So I'll write here number of defective bulbs are 4. Right. Now it is asking me first, what is the probability that the bulb is defective? The probability, there is a chance that the bulb is defective, will be equal to number of variable outcomes by total outcomes. And number of variable outcomes means number of bulbs which are defective, because I have to find out probability of bulb which is defective. So number of variable outcomes is equal to number of defective bulbs. That is equals to how much are defective here? 4. And how much are total number of outcomes? Already I know it is 20. Okay, because total number of bulbs are 20. So probability that bulb is defective is equals to number of variable outcomes by total outcomes. Number of variable outcomes is 4 divided by total outcomes is 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So the answer of probability that the bulb is defective is 1 by 5. Now it is asking me, suppose the bulb drawn is not defective. Observe, this is important. Okay. Suppose the bulb drawn is not defective. Drawn means suppose the bulb which we are taking out, it is not defective. There is the bulb which we are taking out is a good bulb and is not replaced. It means that after taking out, we did not keep that bulb in that lot. Okay, I'll explain you this. Suppose, see here there are 20 bulbs. Okay, now in the second case, what you did is, from this 20 bulbs, you are taking one bulb from 20 bulbs, okay, and you're not keeping it back in that 20 bulbs. You're not keeping it back. So how many bulbs are remaining? 19 bulbs are remaining. Understood? And that bulb which you took out is a good bulb. So good bulb you have taken out. Defective bulbs are not changing. Understood? In this 19 bulbs, 4 are only defective. Why 4 are defective? Because it is telling that the bulb drawn is not defective. Not defective means we are taking from this 20 bulbs, we are taking out one bulb which is not defective, means it is good. So from that bulb which we are taking out one bulb which is good, and we are not keeping it back. Not replaced. Not replaced means we are not keeping it back. Since we are not keeping it back, now the number of bulbs have become 19. And since one good bulb is gone, okay, one good bulb is gone now from this 20. So total number of bulbs without replacement, that is we are not replacing it, is equals to, earlier it was 20. Now since we have taken out one bulb, it is 20 minus 1, that is 19. And number of good bulbs, here what is it asking me? What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? The probability that this bulb is not defective means the bulb is good. Okay, so from this 19 bulbs, how many are good bulbs? We know that the number of defective bulbs are not changing because we are not taking out a defective bulb. We are just taking out a good bulb. So number of defective bulbs are remaining 4 only. So I will subtract from the total bulbs remaining. I will subtract defective bulbs. So number of good bulbs is equals to number of variable outcomes is equals to 19 minus 4, that is equals to 15. Right. So here, probability that the bulb is not defective is number of variable outcomes and total outcomes. Number of variable outcomes are number of bulbs which are good. That is 15 and total outcomes are 19. So 15 by 19 we cannot divide them. So the answer is 15 by 19. Hope you have understood this question. This first bit and second bit are there in CBSE. It is not marked first and second in SSC, but the question is same. So hope you have understood the concept of good and with replacement, without replacement. Remember, it was without replacement means I have to subtract the total number of bulbs. Okay, be careful with that concept. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also hit the like button if you have understood this video.